So the plan today is to roll out to Sunset Beach. I'll probably stop by at Monterey Bay Caterers, grab a little breakfast burrito, have a little breakfast out at the beach, and then come on back. Probably about a 14-mile loop, and yeah, we'll take some videos, see what it's about. All right, thanks for joining us.
So the road's a little tight out here. We're traveling by the strawberry fields. It's pretty cool. Again, road's tight. People drive fast and close. So just put yourself out in the middle of the street and make sure you can be seen. I made it. Ooh, there's some hills up in the Sunset little campground area. Yeah, I opted not to go all the way down to the beach just because I don't want to climb all the way back up. But yeah, it's pretty nice out here. Beautiful day for bike riding. It's overcast. The sun will probably break through in about another hour or two. Should be back home by then. Yeah, kind of enjoying it. Okay, so a little update about our about Trek It Ralph, PCT, all that good stuff. I know he's been working on his YouTube channel. He gets to working out and he doesn't videotape it, so I got to kind of be with him. So we'll start working on that. I started a new job. He went back to work, so yeah, our schedules are not in sync right now. I currently have Sunday and Monday off, and he has Saturday and Sunday. We both have family that we have to spend a little time with, so trying to figure that one out. So in regards to the PCT, it's not looking good for us to get back on the trail this year. He's got to build up some more PTO. Shoot, you know me, I'm good to quit my job and go at any time. It don't matter. But I do like to stay busy. I do enjoy what I do. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the PCT. We're looking to do it next year again. But yeah, we're out for this year. A little bummer. But that's okay. We have some other things lined up. For example, we are gonna get into bike packing. That is something new to us. But yeah, I think we're gonna do a quick little 3-day trip here pretty soon. Probably take the train up a little past San Francisco, somewhere like Olima, and then take the coast down. Probably take 2, maybe 3 days. We'll figure out where we're gonna camp. Eat, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's going to be our next major adventure. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. lost my phone. That was pretty depressing. Yeah, I had some good videos coming out, at least for me anyways. I had a hiking video with Trek It Ralph, but more disappointing was I took a quick trip out to Utah to see my daughter. We did a little hiking trip together, and unfortunately all that footage was on the other phone and I lost it. I didn't back it up, so yeah, very depressing. But yeah, that's why I haven't posted in a couple days, or a couple weeks rather, so I apologize for that.